The brownies on the farm eating carrots. Boing, 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 boing. Oh, goodness. Hey, we're almost to your favorite page. We're almost there. Oh, Lauren, look at your favorite page. What's that? Is that the water that the duckies go under? It is. You're going to eat it? You're going to eat the book? Whoop. That's the sheep. Bah, bah, bah. Yes, you like that water, huh? Go quack, 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 quack. Go ahead, duckies. Quack, 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 quack. What do you think, Amanda? Oh, you're going to grab that ducky? Oh, I think maybe I've had enough. I think maybe I've had enough. You're not going to let go of the water? Not going to let go of that water, though, huh? I've had enough, but oh, I like that water. It's crinkly. It's crinkly. We say, hi, Dad. Is Daddy up there? Is Daddy up there? He is. There's this last page. Look, the soft. Is that soft? What's that? That's the pig pen. Oink, 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 oink. And there's the farmer. There's the farmer. Oops. There's the farmer. The little boy and the doggy. Yeah, does that taste good? Okay. Okay. Here we go. The end.